Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, November 25th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the economic calendar on the beginning of the new trading week, the last week for the month of November. So what do we have here? Core CPI and CPI data from Singapore, not that really important, and employment level, there you go, one of the most important events of today. German business expectations, current assessment, and IFO business climate index data are scheduled for release at 10 o'clock, so we still wait for this one. Then we have a global daily trade price index from New Zealand at 1 o'clock. Then manufacturing sales from Canada, this data is scheduled for release at 2:30. Then we got the speeches from ECB Lane at 4:30. Then we have speeches from German Buba President Nagel at 6:30, and then 2-year note action from the US will start at 7 p.m. And that's about it. Very short calendar, not really full with any kind of a very important data events, no red dots here, so maybe this Monday will not be that much violent. Nevertheless, it's always good to take a look at the charts and to take a look what is going on the majors, especially at the beginning of the week. So let's find out what's going on. We are going to start with euro dollar. Euro dollar for our chart had completed the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves impulsive decline as expected. Our target level 1.0450 has been hit. However, this big candle made a new local low and the swing low, let me just find out, 1.0334, so roughly 120 pips lower. So we have a very big spike to the downside. Let me just make it clear that this line was very important technical support. Now we have this technical support here, and it was marked at the level of 1.33. There you go. Now we have a bounce because there is a nice, let me just take a look at the recent movements. There you go. We have a bounce. We have a nice stopping volume here, and the buying activity. So buying the dips had been performed on Friday. And then we got the movement to the upside. We just hit the technical resistance. Let me just make it clear. 1.0497, there you go. And for now the market cannot break above this level, but not everything is lost just yet. The market might go higher. Most likely the market will go to the highs of the wave 4. Let me just make this high here, because we are now in the corrective cycle. So wave A of the corrective cycle has been completed. Maybe there will be some pullback in the wave B, and maybe wave C to the upside will hit 1.0625, so the previous area of the wave for over lesser degree. When the cycle to the upside is completed, corrective cycle, market is ready to move lower again and continue the down trend. The momentum is right now at the level of 47 points, so it almost hit the level of 50. Let me just place a line here at the level of 50. There you go, almost perfect line. There you go. And as you can see, this is the line that separates negative sentiment and negative momentum from the positive sentiment and positive momentum. For now, we need definitely a breakout above 1.05 in order to break into that bullish territory with the positive strong momentum. Otherwise, we might start develop wave B to the downside. Right, so that's the euro dollar. What's going on pound? Let's take a look. Cable had completed the wave 5 to the downside as expected. So again, we got this special low at 1.2486, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside are done. Textbook example of the impulsive cycle to the downside. Now we are testing the technical resistance just as we do on the euro dollar. Let me just zoom in. There you go. So we are testing the technical resistance at the wave 3 lows at 1.2596. There is still a possibility that this market will go as high as the wave 4 is, roughly around 1.2713. but the momentum needs to break out into the positive territory again. Right now 43 points, not too bad. Nice reversal from the extremely oversold conditions on a 4-hour chart. We are waiting for another spike to the upside on the cable. Let me just place my line here on the low so I can indicate the technical support for the swing low and the wave 5 low. So outlook for the British pound and so for the cable and for the euro dollar is bullish but corrective in nature. So if it is, then what is going on the US dollar index? Is it going lower? Yes, eventually US dollar index had made a technical resistance and a swing high at 108.4. Let me just move my level there, so I will mark it red because it's technical resistance. So the recent swing to the upside, look, it is again 5 waves here. Where do we have the elite wave? Elite wave is here. So from the lows we got wave 1 impulsive, wave 2 corrective, wave 3 impulsive, wave 4 corrective, wave 5 impulsive. Now we're done with the impulse as we are impulsive wave to the upside as we are with the impulsive wave to the downside on euro dollar and cable. And what is going on here? Correction time, corrective cycle is approaching, possibly wave A, it has been done, wave B, wave C, we are targeting the zone between 106.08 and 106.28. So this is the potential target zone for a typical simple corrective cycle back down to the previous wave 4 area of the lesser degree. We are coming off the extremely overbought conditions after this high was made, and we are now trading at the level of 51 points on the RSI. So still positive sentiment dominates, so maybe some bounce to the upside will be done, and then we should continue lower on the RSI and lower on the chart, just opposite as it is right now on the euro dollar and cable. So that's quite self-explanatory. Now last but not least, Bitcoin. For our chart of the Bitcoin is looking bullish again, because we got this recent movement to the downside over the weekend. So we hit the level of 95,823. Now it will act as a technical support, and just recently we've made an all-time high at 99,660. So it looks like we recovered from this corrective cycle. We reversed and we traced almost all of the weekend's low. We went down from the extremely overbought conditions towards the level even of 44 points on the RSI on a 4-hour chart. Now we bounce significantly higher, and on the momentum indicator and on the market as well, on the price, on the chart as well, local high 98,980, almost 99,000. So we are not that far away from the psychological level of $100,000 per Bitcoin, right? But please notice that is only psychological level. We don't need to stay here, we don't need to stop here, we don't need to actually reverse significantly when we hit $100,000. It looks like we are going to hit it quite soon, maybe before the end of the week even, but it looks like that the market is so strong and is so hyped with this momentum and the FOMO traders that we might break higher towards 110 or even 120 before any sort of the meaningful and bigger degree correction will take place. But for now we are aiming the $100,000 per Bitcoin, and we will see what will be the market reaction when we hit this level. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.